It was a normal day on the island of Sonar, and all the engines were very hard at work. Well, most of them. One fine afternoon at the randomly generated sheds, the Humane Controller had a job for him. Chumps, I need you to get me some McDonald's so I can get on the Weight Watchers program show. Tomaz was delighted. Yes, sir, he said. I'll do my best. And off he went. As Tomaz was casually puffing along the tracks, he saw his old pal Trevor on front of a Nissan Quest. Trevor, said Tomaz, what are you doing here? Tomaz, he said Trevor, I have no purpose now. Edward, he won't go to me anymore. But why? He said, confusingly. Tongus, Trevor said. Edward is gone, and I'm sad. Okay. And off he continued with his adventure. As Tomaz continued, there was trouble. He was reaching the end of the knot of the very, very big set. Tomaz had tried to apply his brakes, but it was too late. Well, poop. When Tomaz puffed back home sadly, he spoke to the Humane Controller severely. I'm sorry, sir, he said. I didn't get to deliver the McDonald's in time, he said silently. Chumps, he said, you were such a bad agent. You get punished. No, wait.